does a lot of the work too.
Oh,
So.
that's great. We did some sheep in 4-H.
Yeah. Here in Sonoma County.
Long time ago.
Yeah, when I first saw you, you looked really familiar. What's your name?
Susie Dickinson.
Oh,
I
okay.
grew up here.
Yeah.
But then we were in San Diego for a long time, and then we moved back. We moved back a couple years ago, and then we had to rebuild our house.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Was it in one of the fires?
Yeah, we bought a house right before the Tubbs fire.
Oh, no.
Yeah, we moved back right before. So, but we just moved back in, so.
Oh, well,
Yeah.
that's nice.
But my parents, we lived out Marco Springs Road, Redwood. Eating it first, though. Hello. That one is so mellow.
She's very.
And now she's like trying to see what this tree is.
What keeps them from like jumping over the fence?
Well, usually when they jump over the fence, it's because or whatever reason. But ours never jump over the fences because, you know, they have food, they have their every whim carried and taken care of by us.
They seem really comfortable.
Sedate almost.
Here are smaller, and actually they live in these runs over here until they're about 6 weeks old, and then they go down below where we walk and have a bigger pen. But you can see oh, okay. And what's your sister's name? What? Gwen? Oh, baby Gwen. Okay.
There's baby Gwen.
Got a friend, like
Rocks and dirt and sticks. And flowers.
Well, we're going to go see some flowers in a few minutes.
Queen, can you say goat?
And how old is baby Gwen?
Just turned a year.
Oh, okay.
Almost walking.
Oh. Yeah, that's a stick. Now look at this one over by your grandpa.
I'm trying to take a bite of you.
It's just tasting.
Does taste good,
Just
eh?
tasting.
Are they all tuckered out?
He's biting
They're
you.
dead.
Does that hurt?
No.
This one's so active.
He's just licking you.
Yeah, she's just, that's how they learn to get a taste of, that's how they learn about the world.
Over there, they're about 3
Because their
weeks
taste
old.
buds are very, very
You
strong.
know, 1 week to
Would
3
you like
weeks
to
is
lick
major.
me instead?
It's a funny feeling. It's funny because they're kind of nibbling. She's kind of nibbling. See that? She's gonna nibble.
Do my
Oh,
dress
look at baby Tinsel up there.
That's one of the
She loves Winston. She loves you too, Somerset. Where's Tinsel? Is Tinsel lonely? Look at, there goes.
Look at
She's all the way on the
Tinsel
table.
Look at, let's go
They're
see
gonna check
Tinsel.
out- They're gonna check out Gwen's little.
They're gonna eat the little pretzel remnant.
Out of
Like
the,
there's food in there.
yeah,
They won't really.
there was, there was, I dumped it out.
They're, you know, babies. They mainly just drink milk, really, at this age.
Look at this little
What are goats related to? Like closely? What other animals?
Well, there's
Gwen?
various wild
Wait, you have to get
goats
closer
and
to
then
the
like
goat?
ibex.
Yeah, okay,
That's
the
a
She
good,
ground.
got scared.
It's like
'cause
she's
she
on the
said,
ground
"What's
with
that
me."
human on the ground.
The baby.
She saw it and started backing up.
Yeah.
She saw you, baby
She's
Gwen.
not used to seeing somebody out at her level. Not a human.
on the ground.
Yeah.
look at that.
It's so
That's so sweet. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
It's okay. It's just my baby sister.
In Somerset?
Yeah, that's very nice to be comforting the little goat, the little white goat.
Queen, where's the goat? Where their eyes stay blue? That goat?
darkens a little bit. It's kind of like a hazel, but it gets a little darker as they get
He
older.
went to you.
She doesn't know
so
about
sure about
Gwen.
the baby.
Yeah, I don't know about Gwen.
Mom, what are these?
Wild turkey.
Are those lichen?
I
Is there
think
tree
there's
lichen?
some kind of mushroom
It's a fungus.
or fungus, yeah.
Shelf.
Listen to that. Wow, I'm
Somebody's hungry over there.
I need some attention.
That's a little gray one.
So
Whoa,
you see that jump?
Whoa.
That's fun.
Oh.
It's okay, girl. I don't like that at all.
Okay, so like when
This is
Summertime was
bigger.
little and the one did that at the end, she didn't care. Yeah, she was just like, you know.
That's a little goat. It's a kid. It's a little baby kid, right?
Like the little Dobby ears.
So do you have protection for them at night? Do you have a dog that stays with your herd, or?
No, the kids here are kind of far from, and they have their indoor, but basically our property kind of goes down into the ravine there. We call that the wildlife corridor, and there are
Yeah.
mountain lions and coyotes.
I know there are, yeah.
And so what we have is, we have motion sensor lights.
Okay.
We have an electric fence along there.
Okay.
And then we have talk radio that goes from dusk to dawn.
Oh, really?
Because then when the animals hear it, they think it's
interesting. But there's people.
humans are still there.
Interesting.
And so
Look at those babes.
out of all the years since the 90s, we've only had 2 times where we've had an animal.
Oh, look at that little brown one over there.
Get one of
So
our
cute with no,
animals.
with like
Yeah.
the no. I like the one with the no ears. That's so cute.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot more mountain lions now. They're showing up everywhere.
But, we want to live and let live, so with all that in
Oh, yeah,
place,
that's definitely it.
it
Yeah.
works well. And
Gotcha.
there's a big open field that we keep open because the wild animals don't like going out open with
Right.
no cover.
Yeah. Our house backs up to Marquess Creek. And so I know we don't know what's down there yet, but
So do you guys want to do a little walkabout and see
Yeah.
some other